We taught level 3 musicality for the 4th week this month.
Yeah. So what did we cover? We started off talking about what you can expect at dances and the different types of dances, going from your small local dance to big national events.
Try to think about how you look, how other people look, how you feel, how other people feel. Try to connect with other people at a dance. Then we also talked about how to start a dance, how to end a dance, and how to exist within a dance.
Yep. We also touched a little bit on floorcraft and how when you don't have as much room to dance, different things you can do, like having smaller steps and stepping underneath yourself. But you can also make those decisions even when you have space, just because you feel like it, because the music makes you feel inclined to dance small.
And then we finished the class talking about pulse and modifying our pulse in different songs, to different parts of songs, choosing to modify our pulse, etc.
Yeah, and communicating that with our partner, being aware of what our partner's doing and choosing if we want to make those changes or not.
And that's what we did this week at Uptown Swing.